Hey guys, what's up? It's me, your host Crimson Weeb, and today I'm going to talk about One Piece live action. To be more precise, I'll be talking about why I think One Piece live action is going to fail. Now, I know that some of you might think that I'm a bit too early in saying these statements, considering that not even a teaser or a poster has dropped for the Netflix series yet, but I still think it's going to fail. Just hear me out. I personally don't like live action anime films. You know why? Because they suck. And over the years, I have seen many live action films which were okay, but none of them were good. And now I see that Netflix has decided to make a live action series out of One Piece, and they also decided to make a live action Cowboy Bebop film. Now, I don't know about the Cowboy Bebop one, but I surely think that One Piece live action is going to fail. You know why? Because One Piece is one of the most difficult anime series out there to adapt into a live action film. Like, Netflix already has bad history with live action anime films. You know, back in the day they tried to adapt Death Note into live action, and we all know how that went. And Death Note is one of the easier anime to adapt into live action because most of the characters in Death Note are human except for the Shinigamis, and even then they couldn't pull it off. And now they want to adapt One Piece into a live action series. I just have two questions: why and how? Why is Netflix doing this, and how are they going to pull this off? Because they couldn't even pull off Death Note. See, I'm not trying to hate on this movie, but as a hardcore One Piece fan, I do not understand the reason behind this live action series, because I don't think that any of One Piece fan wanted this to happen. We are more than content with the anime and the manga. We don't want a One Piece live action. And on top of that, I don't think that it's going to be any good, because how are they going to pull this off? Like, if you look at characters in One Piece has so many weird and wacky characters. Like, I don't understand, I cannot comprehend the logistics behind this. Like, how can they adopt something like One Piece into a live action? Because we have characters like Chopper, who's a half reindeer and half human. Like, he's a humanoid reindeer. We have characters like Frankie, who's a cyborg which is literally powered by cola. We have Brook, who's a literal skeleton. And not only the characters, the world of One Piece in itself is a bit cartoonish. Like, if you look at Luffy's power, he's supposed to be made out of rubber, and that's his entire power. Like, can you imagine someone adapting Gomu Gomu no Gatling into a live action series? I just don't see it happening in my mind. And honestly, these are just the main characters. Let's not get into the side characters, because they are even more weird and wacky, and they have even more weird and wacky powers. But if by off chance they did manage to pull it off, I'll be waiting to see Nami and Robin, if you know what I mean. Sorry, got a bit off topic there. But even if they did manage to pull it out alright, like if they did manage to pull it okay, I don't think it will be enough for the fans, because One Piece is such a huge title. Like, all of us have to agree that even if One Piece is not the greatest anime in your books, it certainly is one of the biggest anime out there, and that's a fact, you cannot deny it. And adapting such a huge title into live action films comes with their own risk. Like, even if they did manage to pull it out okay, I don't think people will like it, because people have come to expect greatness from One Piece, and unfortunately I think that's exactly what they'll expect out of One Piece live action series. Man, I just feel bad for the people working on this project, because I think they all are passionate people who are working passionately for this project, but unfortunately I don't see this working out well for them. Like, I don't see this series being any good than the other live action series out there. And I think anime fans aren't really fond of live action films, to say the least. This could only go two ways. If it's something amazing, it will add to the legendary status of One Piece, but the most likely scenario here is that it will be something mediocre and it will be forgotten forever, but not before getting a hell lot of hate from One Piece fans. Unfortunately, that's the reality. Now, I'm not trying to hate on Netflix for doing this, because I really think that it's a brave project, to say the least, and I want this to succeed, but these are just my personal opinions, and I want to know your guys' opinion as well on this topic. So make sure to comment down below. What do you think? Will it suck, or will it amaze us? Will it surprise us? So yeah, I guess this was it for today's video, and if you enjoyed this video, then make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe and all the other good stuff. You know what to do. And yeah, I know it's been a long time since I last uploaded on this channel, but hope you guys understand I was having some troubles. I was pretty busy with my college and all the other stuff going in my life. Like, it's been a pretty stressful month for me, so I hope you guys understand, and I promise I'll try to upload more regularly now. So hope you guys stick out till then, and yeah, I guess I'll see you guys next time. Till then, keep watching anime. Now if you'll excuse me, I also have a nap to complete.